The evidence and facts keep pouring in, just proving the point over and over. Massive news. It's documented. Ripple XRP is replacing SWIFT. We got a great show for you today. You're going to love this, especially if you're a holder of XRP. First, let's take a look at BTCC and the Decent Wallet. We'll be right back. How would you like to earn an extra $100, $200, or even $500 a day? Even more than that. I have many friends that are earning money every single day trading futures on BTCC. It's a simple process. And even if you don't want to learn how to trade, you can follow a trader on the site and let him do the trading for you, and you will earn according to his trades. Sometimes I follow All the Money by Q, and his trades earn me money. He has a 93% success rate, and he earns a great percentage. So even if you don't know how to trade, there's a way to make money. But I suggest learn how to trade, earn you some extra money on BTCC. It's easy. You do not have to KYC, and you don't have to use a virtual private network. This is a wonderful site. They've been around since 2011. Get them a shot. Also, when you earn that extra money, you can store that in your Decent Wallet. The Decent Wallet was not affected by the recent XRPL debacle, where the back door of many wallets was opened and there was a breach. So Decent Wallet was not affected by that. Decent Wallet is as safe as you keep your seed phrase. It's a wonderful product, and you can get the discount by using the link. It is the only way you can get an affiliate discount is to use an affiliate link. So that link that's popping up at the right side of the screen is the one that you use. You will also get free shipping. Pick you up a Decent Wallet today. Secure your assets. If you don't have them stored in a wallet and sitting on an exchange, then you're at risk. So pick you one up today. Thank you for looking at that. We're just going to go ahead and get started straight into the show. Max, it's unbelievable how much information is just coming out over and over and over about this same topic. And we get to update the people again. What do we have today?
Yeah, we did point out, Will, that there would be numerous updates on this subject. So we just want to get that out there, that there is quite a few newly dated updates. So shout out to our brother in community. Once again, Smoke, just been killing it. Give him a follow over on X. He is Smoke Dog. Let's get into it. So what does he have? Well, on the screen, he posted this not that long ago. Quote, not only domestic instant payments, but also cross-border payments are expanding rapidly thanks to the emergence of new innovative infrastructure solutions, such as obviously Ripple, which are replacing correspondent relationships. Checkmark, documented, and we'll show you what he's citing here in a bit. As I pull this up, he goes into detail about this key highlight. And he mentions not only domestic instant payments, but also cross-border payments are expanding rapidly thanks to the emergence of new innovative infrastructures, such as the solutions of Ripple, which are replacing correspondent relationships, the creation of the SCT Insta scheme, and a favorable technological environment. Now, of course, he has a little bit more about this, and this is where it gets, in my opinion, very juicy. Goes on about 6 hours ago saying, quote, Ripple replacing SWIFT, documented 4 times. Pay close attention to the 4th document. Quote, in doing so, Ripple synchronize the messaging flow, transaction information, status, etc., with the actual flow of value. XRP as the currency. It says XRP flow of value within the messages is confirmed. How so? Well, we'll just simply blow it up for you. As we pull this up on the other screen, you'll see that this is from the citation of this particular book called The Future of Insurance, apparently page 193. But whatever the case be, when you scroll further down into it, yeah, you do see where it says, basically speaking, in an attempt to hold on their thinning slice of the pie, every major bank is rushing into blockchain. I know this part isn't highlighted, but I reviewed this earlier. I wanted to include this for you all. So it says, yet arguably moving faster are the thousands of entrepreneurs using blockchain to disrupt these same banks. Consider R3 and Ripple, two examples of developing world disruption impacting developed world businesses. In both cases, these companies are using blockchain to replace the SWIFT network, the standard protocol overseeing international banking transactions. Now, before we kick it over to Will, I want to point out some other key things here, and that is this statement. Let's jump back to the previous screen. Because when we do so, according to this section of this particular book, it says, indeed, several businesses have attempted to build commercial implementations of DLTs to compete with or replace national and international payment systems. Probably the best known example of this is Ripple, a US-based technology company, of course, founded back in 2012. Now, of course, you see a lot of mention of JP Morgan, your Swifts, and so on, and even Santander. I like this highlight. Ripple has been very popular in Korea since 2017 when it was expected to replace SWIFT, International Remittance System. We attribute this popularity to Ripple's very fast transfer speed of about 2 seconds and its relatively low price per unit compared to BTC and even Ethereum. So take it to the next part. You know people are going to ask this, Will. They're going to say, does it mention anything other than Ripple? Does it mention XRP? And there's your answer. It does mention XRP. It says the cryptocurrency Ripple XRP proposes a means to overhaul or replace the SWIFT messaging system with a peer-to-peer system based upon distributed ledger technology. In doing so, they synchronize the messaging flow, which is basically the transaction information status, etc., with the actual flow of value, the XRP currency. Within milliseconds, two banks are connected and a settlement either succeeds or fails between them. So at the end of the day, the way I look at it personally, and let's kick it over to you, is the writing is on the wall. It's always been on the wall, and now we just got further more solidification of that writing literally in documentation 4 times, as our brother Smoke has mentioned. Your thoughts, Mr. Will Fix?
Yeah, so the reason this news is so good is because it means trillions of dollars are coming to Ripple and XRP and in money movement. That's why we seek this news. That's why this news, the news we have with Visa and the news that we have with other different aspects of what Ripple's doing is big for us because, of the system that's in place. And when they mention API, but if you don't know what that means, it means they just take their computer and basically plug it into the Ripple system. So there's not a lot of fanfare for them to set a system up. Ripple already has a complete system that when they plug in the programming, the way the system works, the where the different ends and middle are, and how you use the system is already fully in place. So API, they just plug into this system, and it's there on their computer. Nothing to download, nothing for them to really figure out. It's I bet you it's extremely intuitive. So what we're reading is, hey, look, trillions of dollars are coming to XRP. I mean, how encouraging is that? That is fantastic news. And this is the kind of news that I like to update, because I'm pretty bullish on XRP anyway. I mean, how can you not be? This incredible tool that's been created is all over the world. So the SWIFT system is a major part of that. And it's going to really enhance what SWIFT does by using Ripple XRP. It's going to enable them to do, 2, 3 second transactions. The other thing I think, Max, if you've ever moved, I've moved my crypto around tons of times. I've had Ethereum and move it around and paying 20, 30, 40, 50, $100 to move some of my Ethereum products. That's I hate to have to buy Ethereum when I'm trying to do something. It's like I don't have enough. I have to buy more Ethereum on that account in order to do something. But whenever I've moved XRP, XLM, and a couple other products, it's instantaneous. It's taken out of what I already have. I don't have to build up a funding mechanism. And so the same with the SWIFT system and all these banks and institutions that are going to use it. It's a very tiny fee that you don't even notice it's so small. And the transaction speed, by the time you go to this, wherever you sent it, click through, close this app and open that app, it's already there. So I agree. I mean, he mentioned how much slower BTC and Ethereum is. I mean, it's such a big difference. I've waited up to an hour for an Ethereum product to show up somewhere. And I've never waited more than a few seconds for XRP. So this is why this is such a revolutionary tool and why trillions of dollars are going to be wanted to be moved with it. They're going to save tons of money. Once they start, people have said over and over, as soon as that first bank is saving tons of money and moving their money real fast, all the other banks are going to jump in because that is a profit that increases the profit margin. They now can change their fee structure. The first bank to do it is going to draw more customers. They're not going to want a couple days for a bank to institute this and be able to draw all the customers to that one big bank. So this is where one of the switches gets flipped, I think, that as soon as banks and institutions adopt this, tons of banks and institutions are going to adopt it to maintain the customer base they already have. That's my thoughts.
Normally, I have something to add to that. I have nothing to add to that other than word of mouth. You are right about that. The word will get around. You don't want to be a bank that puts yourself in a position to liquidate your customers from your brand or your branches and so on to go with the Ripple solution. So I think we can come to a conclusion that word of mouth will basically be put out there, and that would happen. Creating a mandate for all of them to avoid that, I think that's also the answer, but we'll see how that pans out. Hey, everybody, listen, if you appreciate this content, simply let us know. Drop into the comments that you listen to the entire outline by typing in this code phrase, and that is the plug, and we'll know that you listen to the entire outline. On behalf of myself and the one and only Will Fix, know what you have, know why you hold it. As the saying goes, the research trumps FUD 110%. And a big shout out once again to Smoke Dog on X. He can be followed over at SMQKE DQG. Huge shout out to one of the goats, as the saying goes, in this space. We will see you on the next one.